What's up? Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we have a look at Filecoin. What's the price change goes in the Filecoin, what's the high price of Filecoin, and what's the current condition of Filecoin, what's the current status of Filecoin in the cryptocurrencies markets. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe and also press the bell icon for new video notification. As you can see here, friends, the last 1 hour price prediction of the Filecoin, what's the currently change occurring in the Filecoin you are watching now live on this video. Friends, the last 1 hour change occurring in the Filecoin as negative 0.13% change, and the high price of Filecoin as $183.29 is the high price of Filecoin in the last 1 hour, friends. If we look the chart analysis of the Filecoin, so the chart analysis tell us that the previous hour they take a jump, but if we look the current condition of the Filecoin, as you can see here, now at this time they are in the falling mood. So friends, now at this time very bad change occur in the Filecoin, but don't worry, future soon the change becomes positive, so don't worry about that. Now that's the last 1 hour price prediction, and now it's last 1 day price prediction. What the change goes and the last 1 day and a Filecoin. As you can see here, friends, the last 1 day price prediction is absolutely good, positive 9.35% change occur in the file, and the last 1 day absolutely good change. I never saw this kind of change in the last 1 day. And the price is $188.14 is the high price of file in the last 1 day. If we look the chart analysis of the Filecoin, so the chart analysis tell us that's continuously jumping occur in the Filecoin in the previous day. But as you can see here, oh my goodness, here is surprise for all of you. As you can see here, friends, as I showed you in the start of this video, that now in the last 1 hour is a negative change. Why they are negative change? Because they take a small dump. That is why the change is negative. Don't worry about this small dump. As you can see here, they are whole and a positive and an explosion time. So my suggestion, if you are a holder of Filecoin, my suggestion for you to please hold your Filecoin with the last half this month. I am also a holder of Filecoin. That is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold your Filecoin with the last half this month, because the big explosion, as now as you can see here, they are also in the jumping mood, and the huge jumps of Filecoin are coming soon. So wait for it and hold your Filecoin. That's only my suggestion. I'm not ordering you. And if you want to buy a Filecoin, so absolutely it's a good time to buy a Filecoin, because now they are in the jumping mode. What's your opinion about Filecoin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates.